Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1935 Royal O model with the Gull Wings. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in the USA, and the ultimate portable classic typewriter with a nice glossy black finish and the Gull Wing. Super cool, unique look to it. The margins are located behind this flip panel. This is your left margin. I'm going to set that on 0 and the right one around 75. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're near the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip this switch forward 1 notch. It skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. A switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that to the left. Red indicator, it prints the bottom portion of the ribbon, which is red. When you have it in the middle, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. When you have it down and over to the right, on the white indicator, it prints no ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. We're going to move that over for red. Beautiful. The feel of this is unmatched pretty much on any new typewriter. It's got a really classic feel to it, and you can feel how people typed back in this era. And the print is beautiful. It's got a brand new 3D printed platen installed, and it's just got a really beautiful print for how old this is. I was really surprised how this came out. This is just an elegant typewriter all around. Excellent condition. It's glossy black. You can see your reflection in it. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. Flip that forward. Unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Also has 3D printed foot mounts. You can get those in my shop. Very nice, and those fit really well with the machine. We're going to put that color back in the middle for black print. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Margin release on the top left. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release because it'll allow you to type past that all the way to the end. Got the backspace. It's not really too much more on the keyboard. This is really just basic. This is how they were first made because they were portables. They didn't have the tab and everything on them at first. So we're going to access those spools. I really love this design with the spool, the Gull Wing they call it. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. If you want to switch that direction manually, you flip this switch on the left side to the left side there. It pulls to the left, and it's got an automatic reverse with these 2 mechanisms. It will pull on the eyelid at the end, which is a little metal piece, and reverse it to that side that it needs to go to, and it does that indefinitely until the end of time or until your ribbon goes dry, whichever comes first. It's got the glass keys too with the chrome rims. Love that. Carriage release on both sides. Super smooth. Very nice condition for 90-year-old typewriter. It's beautiful. And you can see the platen 3D printed. I just started making those last week. Looks really good. Really high quality print with these. So I'm really surprised how these are coming out. So really impressed. If you push the button on the left side, it disables the spacing when you turn the knob so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space, and the same concept with the very top lever here. You flip that forward, it disables the spacing. You flip it back, you get the clicks. Not to be mistaken with the line space selector, which is right below it. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.